Fuel pump flow control module.
Fuel,
Flow control module.
fuel pump flow control module replaced in a 2008 Chevy Avalanche. Tools you needed is a small E5 socket, of course the 1/4-inch ratchet, and a splice cutter. So where that one located is, this is the fuel tank, and the front on the fuel tank you gotta take this plastic shelf off, and that's the control module right there. This one broke, somebody hit in there. So ready, bro? Yes. Go ahead. I got it. Disconnect that one first. Okay, hold on. So you gotta pull it this part, and then right there, it's come off. Now there's those screws, and just slide back that way.
Like that. See?
So it's a slide. Now it's off. We put the new one. Give me a second. We go get the new one. I'll be back. Okay, here we are. This is the new one. That's the part number for the new one. It's coming in this box. So after you install, you already see. Let's put it back on in there, and then just slide back. Now just tight it. And connect it back.
Let me get some grease.
Okay, so in this case we're gonna put a little bit grease, electrical grease. You can connect it just like that, but if you have access to get a little bit grease, put a grease in there to go over here too. It's easy connected. The problem in this one is customer drive. When he drive, there's a snow here, a lot of snow and something hit, and there's a splash shield here. There's a plastic and make a hole and break it here. I won't get it broke. So it's almost done. But I will not take it more than 2-3 minutes maximum. But we've been, we leave the little box in our truck, and that's why we take a little bit long. But I don't know, we have electrical grease. If not, we just connect it like that. Okay, we don't have it. So we just connect it back. And now automatically get a lock. And now the shelf go in. Just like that. So after you do all this, you need a reprogram. You need to use the scanner and reprogram the little control module. But that's easy to replace it. It just need a reprogram now. I hope this video helps somebody else. This one is located in the front of the fuel tank.